We believe that technology enhances our academic mission to develop our students' critical thinking skills through differentiated, inquiry-based education and fosters enthusiastic, lifelong learners. The thoughtful and intentional use of technology opens up new worlds for our students and prepares them to enter college with a high degree of collaborative skills and innovative thinking. Our students thrive in an abundant and rich technology environment, learning to create, code, design, and build. Primarily, our technology curriculum focuses on 5 interconnected strands: digital fluency, computer science, robotics, engineering, and design thinking.
We like to not consume technology, but apply technology and use it for learning to create things as much as possible.
Much of our learning in the first grade takes place in a center-based environment. Within these centers, we're able to incorporate technology. Just for example, we use an app called Stop Motion Studio. We're also able to incorporate other apps like Book Creator, Explain Everything. We utilize Osmo throughout our centers.
And speaking about Book Creator, we use those for digital portfolios. So from the beginning of the year to the end, we track their progress through reading and writing and math and science, every area of the curriculum. And the children become so well versed in using Book Creator so that in May we hold student-led conferences where we airplay their portfolios and they are in charge of their conference and their learning for the entire year. QR codes is another example of something that we use all the time in first grade, from teaching children what they are to teaching them how to create their own. We use it for assessments and centers, and the possibilities for QR codes in our classrooms are endless.
We also do a lot of design thinking challenges in our classroom, and technology is very useful in that process, documenting their progress, their steps, their attempts, their tests.
So the kids here are working on the Wonder League robotics competition. The robots are already built, the Dash and Dots, and they are programming different challenges and solutions to problems. And that's one of the main powers and benefits of robotics and programming, is teaching real-world solutions to problems using logical thought processes and teamwork.
If you actually look at the way the robotic exercises are structured, it is a team effort. So one is a driver, one is a coach, one is a cheerleader. Can my son alone do it? Probably not, because there are 4 or 5 other things that are going on that need to be coordinated. So in real life, if you go to any large company and do any big project, it requires a team effort.
The learning experience can really be enhanced by taking it outdoors, especially in science. Here at North Broward, we run a middle school garden where we have both aeroponic garden towers and we also have soil beds. And the students are exposed to sustainable ways to grow food in an urban environment. We've recently added some shade structures, and we also have some work tables, and it's really turned into a nice, comfortable place for students to work. One thing that's really enhanced this experience outdoors is technology. Students can go out with one device, they can use their iPads to research, they can have any information at their fingertips, they can collect data, take pictures, use a time lapse, and all of this with one device, and that really facilitates this experience.
So in the digital art class, they're learning how to work on Adobe Photoshop and Adobe applications on a stylus drawing tablet. But they're also learning a lot about computer hardware and digital fluency skills that were transferable to other classes.
My kids range from countries like China all the way down to Brazil. I think they encompass about 24 countries, and using technology in the classroom is something that I do every single day and cannot imagine teaching a day without it. Totally transformed the way that I teach vocabulary. My students just finished up a project using clips where they had their vocabulary word and had to create emotion. And we all, as a whole class, created a film with 24 words. And I think by giving them these tools and moving forward with that 21st century learning, it's not only making them better people and better users of technology, but it's making me a way better teacher than I've ever been.
At North Broward Preparatory School, our STEAM program has a lot of goals. First and foremost, we are hoping to help our students communicate properly in this globally digital world. We also want to make sure that they can navigate the tricky path of adolescence without too much of a digital blemish. We hope that they would exhibit digital ethics, curate their knowledge, skills, and talents through social media, and also create a positive impression of themselves online.
The seamless integration of technology within our educational program is critical for promoting academic achievement and application of NBPS values across all disciplines. Our vision is to expand learning beyond classroom walls, create global connections, support all learners, and forge closer community ties through improved communication practices. We want our students prepared not only for college, but for life.